to make another account on Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots on bottom right and then scroll down till you find switch accounts. Click on add account and then click on create new account. Add your birth date, confirm your birth date, add your username and then select your gender and then press on continue. And here add your password and press on done. And your account will be created on Roblox. To simply switch, click on three dot on bottom right and then scroll down to switch accounts. You'll find two accounts in here. To switch accounts, simply click on one and you're good to go. This is how to make another account on Roblox on same device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.